Hi, Miss Annabelle. Can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Annabel Gamboa Gonzalez, 31 years old, from Bugaling, Pangasinan, single.
Do you have kids?
No,
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings and I'm the youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have experience in Hong Kong for 6 months. I do cleaning, ironing, laundry, gardening, then car wash.
How will you describe yourself?
Honestly, trustworthy, and faithful.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, I have 3 minimalist on my hips and 1 at the back.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgeries?
No,
Why do you want to work abroad?
because I want to help my family financially.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Can you give us your idea on how will you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
first of all, I'll calm and patient, then I will play with them.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, my toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head. My toes, my knees, my shoulders, my head.
What is your message to your future employer?
I hope you give me a chance to be part of your family. I will do my best to hard work and patient to your kids, and thank you so much for this opportunity.